Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 4 flyers on one page in Canva efficiently and creatively. Whether you're designing for a project, business, or event, getting multiple flyers on a single page can save you both time and resources. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Canva. Once you're inside your project, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. This will open a list of options. Now, hover over the Settings option. This step might seem small, but it's crucial as it leads us to the feature that ensures precision in our layout. Next, click on Show Rulers and Guides. Activating this feature is essential because it helps you position all your elements symmetrically and ensures everything aligns perfectly. Now, let's bring order to your design. Click on the ruler at the top or the sides of your canvas. Click and drag a guide to the middle of the page to divide it into sections. Next, do the same from the top ruler, dragging another guide down to divide the page horizontally. This will create 4 equal sections on your page for your flyers. With your canvas now neatly divided into quadrants, it's time to add your flyers. Click on the Uploads tab on the left side. Here's where you'll bring in your flyer designs. Simply drag and drop your first flyer onto the canvas. Position it carefully into one of the quadrants using the guides you've set up. Thanks to Canva's Snap to Grid feature, your flyer will automatically lock into place, making the positioning process smooth and effortless. Proceed to adjust each flyer to fit within its designated section. The goal is to fill each space while maintaining even spacing and consistent design flow across all 4 flyers. These small adjustments will help create a polished, professional look. Finally, repeat the process for the remaining flyers. As you add each one, your page will start to come together, displaying all 4 flyers in a unified, cohesive layout. And there you have it. All your flyers are perfectly organized on a single page, ready to be shared digitally or printed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to make the most out of Canva for your design needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials and tips that simplify your creative process. Happy designing!